to Madison Island, from a rolling prairie to a lovely dairies. Wisconsin was made for you and me. As I was walking the Ribbon Highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From Lake Geneva to Madison Island, from a rolling prairies to a lovely dairy. Wisconsin was made for you and me. The sun came shining as I was strolling, the wheat fields waving and the dust clouds rolling. As the hog was lifting, a voice was chanting. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From Lake Geneva to Madison Island, from a rolling prairies to a lovely dairies. Wisconsin was made for you and me. As I was walking, I saw a sign there, and on that sign it said, private property. But on the other side, it didn't say nothing. That sign was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From Lake Geneva to Madison Island, from rolling prairies to a lovely dairies. Wisconsin was made for you and me. In the squares of the city, in the shadow of the steeple, at Warner Park, we see our people, and some are grumbling, and some are wondering, is this land still made for you and me? This land is your land. This land is my land. From Lake Geneva to Madison Island, from a rolling prairies to a lovely dairies. This land was made for you and